I'm ripping in my seven. Okay. I'm flossing in my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
What's going on, y'all? It's another hot ass day. We can keep this short, but I gotta get y'all some kind of content in my boy. We're gonna keep this short and sweet. It's basically just dotting our I's and crossing our T's, man. Is there anything that we forgot? Honestly, one thing that I was thinking about, I was like, man, fucking, where's my coolant sitting at? You know what I'm saying? So that kind of made me be like, okay, well, maybe that shit running hotter because the coolant ain't where it's supposed to be. It ain't got nothing additional to cool. So maybe that's the issue. So if you look down in there, goddamn cover's about damn bare. So I'm gonna see what coolant we got laying around. Like I said, don't get me wrong. I mean, I'm not opposed to putting a little bit water radiator on here. You know what I'm saying? I'm not opposed to putting that water radiator. I'm not opposed to putting the water radiator on here and then putting the water fans on here. Whatever we gotta do. However, if I can avoid having the thing is I haven't been able to find the fans used. So $150 for fans on Rock Auto plus shipping or whatever. If I ain't got to, I don't want to, right? So if this is our problem, if this is our issue right here, then we need to address it. You know what I'm saying? So let me find some coolant in the garage. Coolant. And a lot of times, man, we jump to these conclusions, man. We overlook the basics. You know what I'm saying? We overlook the basics. So the fans that I got, these here, could have possibly worked. But if the coolant is if there's a shortage of coolant or, you know, whatever it is, then it ain't too much the fans gonna be able to do. You know what I'm saying? Even if the fans was working adequately, it ain't a lot they could do. So let me see if I can find some coolant. I know I probably got some around here somewhere. And boom. Must add water though. That's too easy. So there goes some coolant right there. Trying to see if I had any up there. That's oil, Windex, concrete cleaner. Alright, yo, so looks like that might be the only coolant that I got. So let me do the 50-50 thing, man, and then we'll pull it up, man, see what happens. Pull it up. Alright, so what we did off camera that you didn't see is that we changed the tune to more just like a stock tune. We're gonna go back and start from the basics on that. Intake temp is still high as shit because it's hot as shit. Temp is at 120. It's gonna crawl up and do its thing. That what's different is that the coolant that is in here. You know what I'm saying? The coolant that is in here. So I don't know if no air got into the system. But like I said, it was pretty damn low. So what I want to make sure is that I guess that it dropped down some. So that means that the thermostat opening and it's doing whatever it is it need to do. This would also be, I guess, kind of referred to as trying to burp the system. Which sometimes can cause some of your overheating issues as well. Oh, I'm not exactly sure I'm doing this the right way, but I'm thinking I'm gonna let it get up to the temp 180, 190 when the thermostat open. This drop, I fill it with coolant, then put the top back on, and then go from there. Well, it's hot as shit out here, man. I'm telling you, out here sweat like a Hebrew, my boy. Don't they look like Hebrew slave shit? Look at me, sweating like a slave, boy. I nigga, it's time to cut all this hair off, nigga. I don't need no hair on my head. None. Alright, so it's up to 150. I'll keep y'all posted. I mean, y'all don't understand, man. I had to use that Bluetooth capability, nigga. So we still monitoring just from the shade in the garage with the fan. We got up to 208. $117 intake temp. That's hot as shit. But it is just sitting there, so that's to be expected. It's bouncing 207, 208. Which, I guess if you think about it, it's better than yesterday, man. It was getting up to like 215. It was getting up to like 215, 220 and shit, man. So 207 ain't terrible. Definitely ain't terrible. I'm curious what it would do, man, if I put these fans back on now. But like I said, I kind of just want to return them and be done with them. Cause I mean, there's likenesses in it, and then there's, you know, whatever. Cause like technically that fan don't cover the whole thing. You know what I'm saying, but I think it may cover a better overall. I don't know. Get what I'm saying? But then again, there's a good amount of your air probably, I don't know. I don't know, man. I'm just here speculating. Here speculating. That's hot as shit out there, man. Alright, so see, what has it done, if anything? I don't know if it doesn't even rotate it, flushed or whatever. But it's down to 205. It's at 205, and I ain't did nothing. So that's why I say, man, I know that a little bit of was uncovered with the 2 fans set up, but I don't know if this moved more air or that one did. So that fan got it to like 205. All right, so the temperatures, it jumped up to 212. So I took the fan off. I'm gonna throw these back on there and see if these fans are able to get it down better. And so now we got the new fans on there. We crank it back up, let it run. New fans on there, and see if it doesn't work any better. On the box, I know it says 14-inch fans are 1250 CFM. Across the typical radiator is more like 1050. So that's the free airflow across the radiator. So honestly, I think the CFM of these fans is too low compared to like Dodge Intrepid and Camaro fans. Like, don't get me wrong, they moving some air, just shit, not enough. And the name of the game is get rid of the heat. So big radiator shit coming soon, man. I'ma just do it like that.